We are here this afternoon because of a small fire incident that has happened here. The fire started at around 1:45 in the afternoon. This is a shed which is being used by the customs to store cargo that has been condemned. So the cargo that is inside here has been here for more than 10 years. Some of the cargo is actually destroyed by nature, and it's a lot of useless cargo, if you like, for lack of another words. And so at around 1:45 we saw some smoke, and then our alarms raised. Our fire engines ran to the scene, and because the place is a custom warehouse and it has been disused for a very long time, the fire engines the fire people access was a bit delayed. So we had to use the port equipment to break in, and we successfully did that. During that time, we mobilized our stakeholders, the county, the Navy also, because the port is under the OSMAL, where we're working as a security team. So they came in, and by around 3 o'clock we had finished the fire. So it took about 1 hour to about 1 hour 45 minutes, or 1.5 hours to clear the fire. Actually, the items that I said there, if you like, they are valueless. They don't have any major value because these are items that has overstayed. We don't know the cause of fires yet. We believe maybe the congestion of the equipment, of the materials that was there, or maybe electric fault, we don't know. But so far we're going to conduct investigations. We have the police present. We have